So I'll show you guys the chickens. Sunny D's taking a nap in the sun. Not sure if you can see the other ones because of the shadow, but hey chicks! Chicks! There's Ambird. The black one in the back is Pumice, and the one close to the ramp is Lunatic. So I'll just show you how their coop is set up. So this is the run here. I think it's pretty big for 4 chickens. So this is the door. We just have a basic latch on there, which you push this part up that Toby's showing you. We have a latch on the bottom too, but it's really hard to latch, so we don't really latch that one. We just have like fence wire around it. These posts are 4x4s on every side. These are 2x4s, 12 feet long for each side. And then we just put a stick over here for them to roost on. And this is an automatic nighttime light, motion sensor light. So they're gonna be in their coop at night, and so if any animals come and try to get in here, this will turn on and hopefully scare them away, or maybe we'll just see it and come out here to scare them off. The coop I built mostly myself. Sorry, I was just putting him on the trampoline right here. You gonna bounce, buddy? So I built this mostly myself. So these are just pallet wood, pieces of pallet wood that I tore off of pallets. And that took a long time. We just put a door here, so we can get down here and clean this. And these are spring latch or spring hinges. We don't need a latch, we just put a board there just in case. This is underneath where all of the chicken droppings fall. If you can see up there, the bottom is chicken wire. This naughty one is trying to get off here. Okay, this door here is just made out of, what's it called? Let's see. Just a piece of thin wood. It's got a handle, latches, and hinges, obviously. And then for the roof, I'm not sure what this is called, but it's just kind of like ribbed metal, a sheet of metal. And we have 2 pieces that are just nailed to a board down the middle. Same thing with this side, just pallet wood. And we put this, oh, Toby tried to grab the camera. We put this fencing around the bottom so our dog can't get down under there and try to bite the chicken's feet, breaking through the top. This is the ramp. Sorry about the shadow, I don't know if you can see or not, but across this side we put 1-inch fencing. I'm not sure what it's actually called, so they can't get onto, so when they're on their ramp, they can't fly out. And we have it on this side too, right there. And give you a tour of the inside. So you just pull that shut and it closes. My sister put some feathers here from the chickens. Another roofs from a stick right here. Here is their ramp. And on this kids chair we have their water. These are some strawberries that they didn't eat. I think this is a piece of wood from the storm that fell in here. We haven't figured out the roofs for in here yet. So what we're using right now is this bin, and they just sit on the side. And then we have some wood chips in there. Hang on, Toby is trying to get out. Buddy. Okay. So this is what the inside looks like. The nesting boxes will be across the back here when they start laying eggs. Toby's really trying to get down, so I'm gonna put him. Oh, I can't put him down because his shoe fell off somewhere. I don't know where. Hold still, buddy. The inside is chicken wire, like I said, with some hay across the top. They're bedding, and here is hay. Would you hold still, sweetie? We've got this latch right here for this door. Here's the handle, other part of the latch, and we just tie it up like this during the day so they can go in and out as they please. The feeder is under here, and this is an orange ball that my sisters threw in here. Don't know why. So, that's kind of our setup. We have a board buried under here that the fence is attached to, so our dogs can't pull up the fence easy, because they really want to get in here with these chickens. So there we have it, and we just keep the big bag of feed in our shed here.